Hello dear viewers. How to play 5K or 8K resolution videos, as the normal media players cannot play these high codec media files. As you can see, this video is 8K resolution, 7680*4320 pixels. When I am trying to play it with standard VLC player, it's not working. Now we have two options to play these files. One, Microsoft Windows HEVC video extensions, which is not free, it's about $1 priced and you can buy it from Windows Store. I will also tell you free 8K media players in this video. As you can see, this is already installed in my PC, and now I will run this video with Windows Media Player app called Films TV. As you can see, this 8K video file is now working because the HEVC video extension is now installed. The second method to open 5K and 8K video files is VLC version 3.0. I have given the link in the description. You can directly download it, or there is another link of officially VLC 3.0 website page where you can choose your device and download as per your requirement. This VLC 3.0 is completely free of cost and is a good alternative to HEVC video extensions. Let's download this VLC version 3, which is named VLC UWP. And as you can see now, when I play the same 8K resolution file with this VLC player, it is working fine. So this is a very good option to run high resolution MP4 files, especially all files which are encoded with H.265 encoder. That's it for today's video. If you have received value for your time, please do like this video and subscribe my channel, as this supports the channel a lot, and notify the bell icon for more useful videos. Thanks.